parasites of Ferrari DNA give the 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia an emphatically brandishing character, yet IDA Euro TMS quiet around town too. This is the reason you are looking for the 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia, IDA Euro TMS, a games auto with 4 entryway common sense. We score the Giulia at 9 out of 10 because of its tremendous ride, extremely sharp dealing with, solid motors, and astoundingly great directing. We Euro found as much to love in a base Giulia as we have in the full Zoo Giulia Quadrifoglio with its fire-breathing, Ferrari-inferred twin-turbo V6. Be that as it may, let a Euro TMS not hop in front of ourselves. The 2.0-liter turbo 4th Euro TMS on Giulia and Giulia T cars rates at a strong 280 strength and 306 pound-feet of torque, the last of which goes ahead at a sensible 2,000 revolutions per minute. A 8-speed programmed sense control either rear or door, alternatively, to each of the 4 corners. This motor is peaceful out of gear and torquey, if not exactly as smooth in its activity as BMW Euro TMS inline 4. However, BMW can a Euro TMT contact the Alfa Euro TMS power and it appears. The Alfa is bounty quick and dependably has snort available for later. Brembo 4-cylinder front brakes are standard on Giulia and T and AE Euro solid and simple to tweak, though with a marginally disengaged feel. The genuine pleasure here is the Giulia Euro TMS tiller, however. The thick-rimmed controlling wheel is a joy to hold, yet that a Euro TMS not an emerge against rivals. What is important is correspondence from the street, which is the place the Giulia helps us to remember BMWs from decades past by. Just the Jaguar's approaches, but with a more steady way than the marginal Hyper Giulia. In the event that anything, we wish that the Giulia Euro TMS drive mode selector would enable us to dial back on focus guiding reaction only a hair for lethargic gentle activity driving. The monster. The Giulia Quadrifoglio is a completely extraordinary monster, as its legacy and live and Lucky Charm bumper identifications recommend. On the off chance that you Euro an understudy of car history, you Euro TML realize that comparable identifications embellished Alfa dashing autos battled by Enzo Ferrari. The Giulia Quadrifoglio Euro TMS heart is a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 got from a Ferrari plan. IDA Euro TMS as vibrant as your Euro TMD expect, revving eagerly toward its 6,500 revolutions per minute red line. What's more, you Euro TML need to rev it, since the 505 horsepower crest figure comes precisely at redline. Nonetheless, every one of the 443 pounds-to-foot of torque goes ahead at a more sensible 2,500 revolutions per minute. The Quadrifoglio is just accessible in the US with a reinforced form of the 8-speed programmed, where ITA Euro TMS match 2 delightful or shifters. Around town, you Euro TML need to choose the natural mode, where the V6 can in any case be a little nervous and jerky from dispatch. The guiding is considerably snappier here than in the customary Giulia, which means your Euro TML need to reevaluate the way you turn the wheel to keep away from a skittishness. The ride itself is firm, however not all that hardened that IDA Euro TML wiggle your kidneys. Select dynamic or race modes and the Quadrifoglio winds up various out and out. The motor revs quickly and as joined by a magnificent snarl. The ride is stiffer here, yet not rebuffing. The Quadrifoglio digs in hard cornering and responds with what we Euro TMD call hypervision to the driver Euro TMS inputs, albeit some of drivers surmise that the overwhelming on-focus guiding and wide tires influence the auto to not direct excessively much. Both on street and on the track, the Giulia handles with a non-partisan character. IDA Euro TMS conceivable to overdrive into a corner and the auto will wash out instead of turn, yet the sticky 19-inch elastic means IDA Euro TMS difficult to slacken things up excessively. A more controlled passage speed enables the vehicle to pivot delicately and remain level. Goose the throttle a bit and the backside kicks out a Euro keep things going and you Euro TML be in a superb float. Enzo would be content with this one.